welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see about ChatGPT. So I think everyone got the news from last 2 months, I guess. So everyone talking about ChatGPT from Microsoft, as well as Google also developing something related like similar to ChatGPT and also. I don't know how many of you tried the demo or examples or whatever. Maybe developer is also trying to integrate the API. So recently they have released the API to use it for our applications, so we can integrate with that API. So I think like whoever haven't tried, so not only for technical, it's also fun to use actually. So I'm creating this video after I have tried. It was nice actually. Okay, let's see. And also this video will be helpful if anyone haven't tried before. Maybe you can see where to start and all. So I think here is the website, openai.com block ChatGPT. So you here you have to sign up for the chat. So let's click on try ChatGPT. So it will open the chat window, chat open. So there is a two option, which is a login with your OpenAI account to continue and sign up. So if you haven't signed up before, like click on sign up, and I have already have the login account. So the sign up screen also will be looking like this. Maybe you can try with your Google. I'm just using my personal Google account. So once you have logged in, you can see the chat window to ask your questions. Okay, so here is the fun. There are actually some examples, some text they have already given. Maybe you can just click on that. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? This is for a developer, something like that. It will give you a brief about how you can connect, also the snippet. I think this is cool, right? Looking cool. So here is a fetch call using HTML request using fetch. What else? Okay, I think it's done. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is free defined question, which is which I already had in the ChatGPT chat window, but now we want to try our own. So my first question will be something like, I'll put hi, how are you, like a chatbot. Let's see what it answer. Hello, as an hey model, I don't have feelings, but I am functioning as expected. How may I assist you? Nice one. So as we are a TechieQA software testing channel, let's write a question related to software testing. Maybe if you put software testing interview questions, you may get like, what is software testing, what is different type of testing. There are many questions, right? I'll just put, what is exploratory testing. I don't know what it will answer. It will fetch from Google, something like that, or any other, not sure. Exploratory testing is a type of software testing approach that emphasizes the tester's freedom and creativity designing. Wow, it's not a predefined Google answer. This is actually written. The goal is to find defect, issues, potential not have been anticipated in the software specification, design, and requirement. I think this is more enough. Wow, here is the questions. So not only for interview, for learning purpose. So something you want an answer, something like nice answer. I have compared with Google's also. Like this is actually nice way of putting the answer here. This you can use it for anything, even for documentation. So this is something like this. So let's try something else. Maybe what I can write is like, these are all will get it from Google also, right? I'll test write a test cases for login with phone number. So here are some sample test cases for login with phone number. Verify that user can log in valid phone number and password. Enter a valid phone number and password. Okay. Awesome. Invalid, valid. So So if you are a fresher in QA or development, whatever it is, this chat GPT is kind of assistant for you. Maybe you have to try as soon as possible. If you haven't tried before, please check this. So there are few more interesting questions I'm going to put it. This is just a test cases one. So I want uh, use cases. Write use cases for network connectivity in mobile apps. I'll write. Don't worry about grammatical. Maybe it will understand as a AI. It should. Sure. Okay. It taken some time to think, but user is able to launch app without network connectivity. User launch the app without network. So this is a use case as well as it's giving a basic feature like offline mode, alert when network is lost, receives an alert when network connectivity is lost. Okay, cool. I think guys, just read about the answer. This is a cool future and awesome one. So don't worry about the pricing and all because it's a free one, because we are trying their what play like something like work or their chat screen, right? If we want to create our own app with their API only, we have to pay. Even there are free dollar, they'll give a $5 free. So that's for a developers. So maybe if any developer, I think they can, once they sign up, they can directly go to a account, create a API, they can use it. Okay, so I think it's still writing, man. So we can just copy and paste it, and again we have to verify. Maybe the manual testers get scared. Will it replace this chat GPT will replace QA manual tester, something like that? Maybe someone simply put it on the LinkedIn and all, right? For sure no, it will not replace any QA or any developer. It will save time for them, so that they can spend their quality time on something else, some other challenging stuff, and thinking about strategy and all. Okay, so these tools and all can give you a free define already preloaded data, but the based on the situation, that analytics skill. So these are all the very advantage and plus for the humans, right? So the AI can't replace, or AI can't do anything. Maybe it will come in the future, but as well as if AI is improving, the developer of that developing the AI is the human only, right? He will be superpower than AI. Okay, so don't worry about it. This is small demo about manual testing related. Let's go to a uh, coding base. Okay, so I'll just ask to write a small code for what string concatenation maybe. Okay, write a program for string string comparison. I'll write. Here is the example with JavaScript. Okay, so AI is taking JavaScript as a default, or not sure, because before when I was trying it was showing a Python. Okay, so no problem. What we'll do, string comparison in Python. Okay, we'll try with all the language. Sure, string. Wow, program. We got a snippet as well as the explanation in Java. I'll just stop. Here is an example with Java. I think it's giving you a method. What else required, man? I think this is cool one for a fresher as well as experienced people. Like even we, as we know also, like sometime we'll go to Stack Overflow on Google, right? Maybe I'm sure this going to replace Google search or Stack Overflow for soon. Not the humans, not the QA, not the developer, not the project manager. Then who else will handle it? So, but it's for sure it may replace the Stack Overflow. I guess. I'll write a few exact use case. Write a lo- Selenium script for login with, I'll write Flipkart only. Let's see. Here is an example. I think it's trying to write on the Java. Okay, Flipkart account login. It automatically fetch the URL as well as the locator. This is awesome. Awesome script actually. I'm really, I didn't expect Chat GPT, this AI will be this much powerful. So in this example, as well as we are having the explanation, we are having the snippet that also exactly with the Flipkart login URL. So this will see if it is working or not. But guys, if you already know, you will get to know like. This will save lot of time. Maybe if you're getting any error in this code, that one thing like this module you have to install in your local as well as this locator. Okay, locator you have to verify. I'm sure this is fetching the class level also. Okay, cool. So this is in Python, right? Okay, let me write a Selenium script for, I'm reusing the text for select drop down in Java. So I want it in Java for select drop down. That script only. So I think uh, basically if you are searching select drop down, we are expecting that select class to be used. Select class is used and also drop down element. Something they're using sample one. Okay, I'll just stop this as of now, so you can see here. What else guys you required? Maybe I'll write one more. Write a Selenium script for scrolling the page in Java. Python, obviously it will say I'm mentioning explicitly Java because I need a Java code. Okay. I think now you got it right. So now you got it. I think you can write whatever you want, whatever you are going to search on the Google, and going to multiple pages, going to multiple Stack Overflow thread to find the answer. I think this will give you a final answer. Okay, so even for that it's saving a time because we have to search lot and finalize which one is working or not. This also may not or like work, maybe if the locator is issue or not, but like you have got a fair idea. So directly you are trying to use JavaScript one. Okay, so this is exact answer based on my knowledge. This is about software testing. So chat GPT for dev and software testers. Also let's write a code to create a docker image with a simple program. I'm just trying it out, what it shows. I think it's thinking. Maybe it got confused with my questions. I don't know. Yeah, we are getting create a Docker image with a simple program. Create a directory for your project and navigate to Mac directory. Simple cd Docker example. Create a new file called Docker file. Contents. Use base image from Python 3.9 alpine. Set working directory. Uh, my God. This is cool, right? this Docker file start with base image of 3.9 running in Alpine. I think it's done. See, people maybe thinking that area this I can get it in Google search itself, Stack Overflow itself, something like that, right? But here you're not going anywhere. You're just asking and it giving you a final answer. Maybe in the Stack Overflow, like you may get lot of other not working unnecessary commands and unnecessary blocks, some scam pages you have to open, multiple ads you have to open. But here everything is resolved. So create a file. I think it's creating a it's creating a project, complete project for me. Not only Docker image, it's I think we can create here and build a Docker using following command. 5. Run the Docker container using the following command. Docker run my image. This command start a new container. Okay, so it works for dev, testing, DevOps also. Okay, let's. I'm trying uh, write a Terraform code. Okay, Terraform code to create EC2 instance. Maybe let's see how it will work. This is related to a DevOps actually. Finalize the new Terraform project with the following command. Okay, many people got searched. Maybe it has in that cache. It's example instance AWS provide config Terraform work with AWS. Okay, here is the actual. This is a Terraform code. Maybe whoever knows DevOps, they'll understand. Once you run it, it will create on the AWS. Maybe here you have to update few code AMI. Okay, nice. Terraform apply and Terraform destroy, it will destroy. So everything we got it now. I think this will helpful for dev, QA and DevOps. Maybe I'll come up with another video for the some funny questions, cool answers. What it will give, we'll see it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please share with your friends. Also, if you like my video, please subscribe.